Today, we will be introducing a quick guide to using the AD-200. You will need an AD-200 audio delay mixer with level adjustment, a D-sub cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, a 3-pin XLR audio cable, an RCA stereo cable, and a power cable. Use the D-sub cable to connect the AD-200 control unit to the main unit. Use the 3.5mm audio cable to connect the audio input to the main unit's audio output. Connect the device power and then external audio channels to the respective XLR audio ports. Finally, output the AD-200 audio via a RCA cable to your input device. Turn on the power switch, then rotate the menu knob to enable the LCD screen and check the audio information. Press the knob button to open the menu, then go to the first option where you will be able to assign audio channels. Each output audio channel can be assigned to different combinations of the 6 input audio channels. Place a plus sign in slots of the audio channels to be enabled. Select Escape to exit the menu and check the information of the audio channels. Open the menu and select the second option where you can adjust the audio delay. You can rotate the knob and set the delay as high as 3000 milliseconds. You can also set a delay to other channels, then return to the previous level of menu. Select Item 5 to adjust each audio's gain. Maximum gain is 12 decibels and minimum gain is 0 decibels. Then exit the menu. Rotate the corresponding audio channel knob to adjust the respective audio gain. The maximum gain is 6 decibels and the minimum gain is -80 decibels. In order to maintain a good signal-to-noise ratio, adjust your audio gain accordingly so that the SNR is always in the yellow region and not the red region. The corresponding output knob can also be used to adjust the audio gain as well. This has been a quick guide to using the AD-200.